if you have installed your turf reinforcement mat correctly, is should you be able to do this? No, you should not. If you can do that, water can do that, and vegetation can do that when it's trying to grow up through it. So you absolutely are going to need enough staples, especially on your seams, to not allow any lift of your product at all. Standard staple installation instructions are 1 every 0.75 square yards to 3.75 per square yard. That's a lot. You should not be able to take a step on a site without hitting a staple. And your seams need extra staples, double row, all down and up this. They're going back through and adding those in on this site, and that'll significantly increase their success rate with these products. It'll vegetate much, much better than this.